Have you or a loved one been injured while under the care of a medical professional at a hospital, surgery center, or other healthcare facility? Hospitals handle all types of illnesses and medical conditions, such as cancer treatment, various surgeries, labor and delivery, inpatient services due to infection and trauma, as well as child injury services. Many of these cases do not meet the minimum standard of care, and injury or death of the patient can result. Healthcare facilities also employ thousands of local residents, so there is also the possibility that employees can get injured on the job. In addition, visitors and family members of patients can also get injured while on the premises via a slip-and-fall accident, a car accident, or a parking lot accident. With all of this in mind, it stands to reason that hospitals are named in many injury claims annually. If you or a loved one have been injured at any medical facility, you need the help of our injury attorneys handling hospital negligence lawsuits. Over the years, our hospital negligence lawyers have sued numerous hospitals for dozens of different malpractice, negligence accident, injury, work injury, assault, and sexual assault cases. Some examples are auto accidents. These can include pedestrian accident lawsuits, car accidents in the parking lot, ambulance accidents, and transportation accidents. Common birth injury cases involve shoulder dystocia, brachial plexus injury, cerebral palsy, Erb's palsy, labor and delivery injuries to the mother, macrosomia, and trauma-related birth injuries. Medical malpractice, such as surgical errors, anesthesia errors, medical misdiagnosis, inaccurate diagnosis, delayed diagnosis, failure to treat claims, medication errors, birth injury cases, emergency room mistakes, EMT malpractice, lab misdiagnosis cases, X-ray misdiagnosis claims, and hospital-acquired infections. Premises liability cases. Lawsuits regarding premises liability accidents can revolve around slip-and-fall accidents, parking lot accidents, stairwell accidents, elevator and sidewalk accidents, food poisoning, assault, and sexual assault. Workers' compensation claims. These claims are very similar to premises liability accidents and include hospital slip and falls, exposure to harmful chemicals, gas, and medications, work-related back injuries, injuries caused by poor lifting techniques, pathogen exposure, being stuck with a dirty needle or syringe, radiation exposure, gurney injuries, ambulance accidents, assault and sexual assault by a doctor, nurse, other healthcare providers, patient, or visitor. No matter how you, your child, or loved one were injured while at any medical facility, our hospital negligence attorneys can help. They will attempt to negotiate a very favorable settlement for you and your family based on how you were injured and how seriously you were injured. All possible benefits and forms of compensation will be accounted for, such as lost wage compensation, medical care benefits, loss of use benefits, physical pain compensation, emotional suffering compensation, and lowered quality of life compensation. Should you have lost a child, parent, sibling, spouse, or other loved one, you may qualify for funeral benefits, survival benefits, and wrongful death benefits. Please don't wait to connect with our injury attorneys handling hospital negligence lawsuits. They are very skilled trial attorneys and will do everything needed to get you a very fair settlement from the liable party or liable parties and their insurance carriers. If a settlement cannot be agreed upon, they will take your case to trial without hesitation. All initial consultations are free, and they charge no fees if they are unable to recover benefits, medical care, and financial compensation for you. The Pennsylvania Hospital Negligence Lawyers at Friday & Cox handle injury claims at all Pennsylvania hospitals, such as all University of Pittsburgh Medical Centers, Clarion Hospital, University of Pennsylvania Hospitals, Allegheny Health Network Hospitals, Veterans Administration Hospitals, Excella Health Hospitals, Health South Rehab Centers, and Duke LifePoint Healthcare Hospitals.